They never tell you this. The person who breaks you the deepest is always the one you trusted with both hands. I didn't know a heart could break without making a sound. I only realized it shattered when I heard myself breathing wrong. You taught me silence the way storms teach surrender. I kept waiting for your footsteps, long after you forgot the path. You called it love, while handing me empty promises. And I kept calling it destiny, because I feared the truth. Nights grew heavier, like they were learning how to fall apart with me. I started avoiding mirrors, afraid I'd see the version of me you ruined. But somehow, the dawn still found my window. It whispered that healing isn't loud, just honest. And for the first time, I believed it. I gathered what was left of me, gently, and walked toward a life where my shadow no longer leaves first.